Hey everyone, Tim with the Kelly Corner. Well, as you see, this is from our previous video blowout we had of our tire. I've fixed all of the plumbing here and the black tank valve, all that. I fixed that myself. Unfortunately, I didn't record it, or I tried to, but I really had a hard time. I'm going to attempt to record this here today. I've got obviously a couple spots where that tread came up, slapped and cut this wire, which has now been fixed. It cut it in half. It's been fixed here. But we have this hole that got exposed here. You can see where it slapped all the way up and started to put a hole in my floor. I need to do my best to seal this up because when we're driving through rain or whatever, this tire here is going to be splashing water all up in here, and this will rot out. I've repaired this once before. Unfortunately, I got to repair it again. I figured I would record it this time. It's kind of tricky because I've got this cable in the way. But I'm going to give it a try anyway. And then I got this hole over here that I'm going to attempt to repair. And you know, that's also been repaired once before due to a tire blowout. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the materials that I have, but the first thing I'm going to do is measure what kind of an area we need to cover here. So we're looking at about we'll just go 9 by, we'll just do a little more than 9 by 7 on that one. And on this one we'll do 7 by, we'll do 7 by 8. 9 by 7 and 7 by 8. Okay, so let me go cut that. Okay, so here we are. We're fixing to cut to the dimensions that I had discussed. This is Mobile Flex bottom closure. I'll have a link to this down in the description below the chat. This is a big 57 square foot piece. I'm just going to cut to the size that I need. And this right here is pretty close to one of them. All I got to do is cut another one. But this is the typical stuff you find under RVs. This material is weatherproof and rodent resistant. And this is called Miracle SPM 1330, formerly known as Stay Put. This is a general purpose pressure sensitive adhesive. This is excellent for tacking your underbelly material up on your RV. I'm telling you, it works great. Very sticky. And it's real odd because when you first spray it on your material, it starts turning ice cold. And that just means that it's activating. So we'll go ahead, like I say. I think we got the measurements about close to right on this one piece here. Yep, looks right to me. We're going to go ahead. We're going to cut our second piece. I think I'm going to cut them slightly larger than what I had originally measured, just to be on the safe side there. And then I'll cut a slit here to fit in between the pipes, like we discussed. And yeah, that's it. Let me get this cut, and we'll go out and test fit this. Okay, now obviously everybody, this is a real small scale job. I mean, you talk about 57 square foot of material. I mean, this technique applies to both little small jobs and larger ones of this nature. So I've got my pieces cut out here. I need to go out and clean the surface, get any loose dirt or debris off of around the area I'm going to adhere these to. So let me go do that real quick, and then I'll show you how we tack these guys up. Yeah, so this is kind of tricky because simply due to the fact that it's a real awkward area here. But I just want to be sure there's no sand or grit. Just got a wet rag here. Just be sure the area's fairly clean. Look at that. Because we want to make sure it adheres well. And over here too. Just got to wipe all that off. Oh, there goes that. That's all right. We'll make the best of it. Okay. Let's go get the material. We want to keep this clean. I'm going to test fit everything first. Be sure we just have one go at this. So I think once everything is, I'm going to spray adhesive around these edges. And I think I'm going to just bring that up on that side of that cable. And adhere it just like that. I know it looks odd, but that's how we're going to do it. I may put a little slit right here. Matter of fact, let me do that now. See how that does. Bring that up. Yes, a little better, see? It's a little better. This stuff is really tacky and sticky. This glue that I'm going to be using here, so keep that in mind. But that's about how that's going to go. So we just take our spray, take our Miracle SPM spray. I'm going to spray all around up in here. I got it on low, so let's see. I'm going to shake the can. All right, I'm going to get a little on the actual canvas here. All right, then let's go ahead and work it up there like we had discussed before she dries. Ooh, it's sticky. It sticks quick. Come on, baby. Come on. Here we go. Just stick it up there like that. Get it where you want it. It's okay if we're overlapping in some places, that's fine. But as you can see, it sticks quite nice. Once that dries, make sure you adhere it nicely to everything. Best you can. Yep. Once that dries, that is not going to go anywhere unless you have another blowout. Let's take a look at this other side. Stuff is super sticky. Super, super sticky. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I'll go like this. I'm going to cut a slit right here. It doesn't have to be super perfect. As long as you close up the, seal up the area you're looking to seal. It's all that matters. Try that again. See how that looks. Yeah, I think that's gonna cut it a little bit deeper there. Test fit this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Yeah, that's going to be nice. We'll just be able to tuck that up in there if we need to. Okay? So we're good there with that. Let's go ahead and get our glue. Spray glue here. Let's go ahead and get that on our piece of material. And we can go ahead and get this up there. Oh, it's going to start sticking, so be ready for that. That's what you want. I want to cover all this. There you go. And it's okay if it goes on the metal, because this stuff, it sticks to metal also. No problem. That's not perfect, but you know, it'll do. Tuck that in behind there like that. It's pretty good. Not bad. Level it off. There you go. We're all patched up. We're all patched up, looking good. And that's it. This stuff is pretty darn permanent. So you don't have anything to worry about there. It's not going to fly off. When it gets wet, it doesn't come off. Matches the underbelly, the original. And there, I'm protected from water up there and all that wood. So, hey, I hope this helps somebody out. Hey, let me know if any of you guys ever had to patch your underbelly and what you used. This is what I discovered worked pretty well. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Happy camping.